up, guys? It's your girl Morgan Sinclaire, and I'm back again for another video. I don't know if you guys see this hair, but I see this hair. Do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and let's get on to this video. And don't forget to follow me on IG, Twitter, and Pinterest. Let's get into this hair. First, this video is sponsored by Rucker Roots. They're gonna be people to help me tame this monstrosity I call hair. So let's get to the bowl. First, we're gonna be using the smoothing sulfate-free shampoo. Y'all, I use a generous amount of this shampoo. What I love about this shampoo is that it lathered so well. Like, the lathering was so well. Now, this is a wig, guys. I did rubbing of the shampoo in my hair because I just didn't want it to come off too much, but it lathered so well. And look how I'm running my fingers through this hair. It didn't tangle up the hair. It was like the shampoo was just detangling and running through that thing, and also stripped it of any like grease or oil that I put in my hair. And it was easy to keep it from being tangled, even though I rubbed it together using my hands like that. Also, what I loved about the shampoo is the smell. Do y'all see this? Y'all see this? Y'all see how it's just falling and I can run my fingers through it? Slip itch is real. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. All right, so now we got it clean. Let's go to the bowl. All right, it's washed out. Everything's out. It's still tangle free. I'm running my fingers through it. And now I'll be using the Detangling Conditioner. Not only do I love the scent, but the conditioner left my hair really soft, really shiny, really silky, and the shampoo already kept it from being tangled. So the conditioner, it did its due. Like, it did its due. So I just rubbed it all through my hair, like right there, tangle free. I took a brush and was like, yes ma'am, this is what I need in this. The silk, the smoothness, and then the curls just bounce back like boing, you know, like that's all I needed right there. So I'm just gonna brush out all the kinks. Not that I kind of have any, but yeah, the conditioner really did it for me. So imagine what it would do to my actual natural hair. Rucker Roots, you onto something, y'all. Like, y'all onto this. Y'all see that? Do y'all see this? Let me just do it one more time for y'all. But honestly, I'm just really brushing out my hair, making sure I go through every section, brush that, make sure the curls pop back into place, because that's key for, you know, the styling and keeping the curl of the hair, the natural curl of the hair. Y'all, this is my favorite wig. I actually made this wig. Yes, ma'am. So now that I'm done brushing this wig and getting all the kinks out, making sure it's tangled, wasn't much to detangle, I am done. I make sure I go from, you know, root to the end with the brush before I go rinse it out. So let's go rinse this. The curls are looking mighty fine, mighty defined. We love it. We love it. So now I'll be using the texture styling mousse from Rucker Roots. I really thought this mousse was gonna foam. That's why I kind of kept shaking it, but it was kind of watery. I wasn't expecting it to be a watery type of mousse. So that was just one thing that was kind of different to me. But the mousse did its due. It held the curls in place. It did not give me a hardened type of look, which usually when mousse is dry, they harden your hair. And all I did was kind of crunch it up to make sure that the curls were still like in place and still there. And then I laid my hair flat on top. So just adding that crunching method. You do not have to crunch it. This just gives extra volume to it. Next, I'll be using the Restorative Edge Control. This edge control is for all hair types. It's a light to medium hold. Y'all, when I tell y'all this edge control did that, it did that. So like my baby hairs, my edges ain't never been slick like this. Like this look like it's a sew-in. It don't look like no wig. It looks like I sewed this into my actual hair. Like low-key, if you didn't know this was a wig, it low-key looked like my real hair. Like that's how much of like stick it had onto this hair. Like, had my sideburns right and everything. And that is it for this video, y'all. I look like $1,000,000 and somebody need to take me on a date. Now, my guy. Now. Take me out now. But we are in quarantine, so I'm going to take myself to that dinner table. Anyway, thank you guys for tuning into the video. Don't forget that you can find Rucker Roots online at ruckerroots.com, QVC, and Macy's, and in stores at Target and Sally Beauty. I appreciate you guys. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to let you know every time I make a post. I love you lots. Peace in the Middle East and from the South. Bye.